The video opens with a quiet city street just before sunrise, the sky painted in soft blues and warm oranges as the first light gently touches the empty road. Streetlights are still glowing, and there's a calm, almost nostalgic atmosphere in the air. A sharp, compact silhouette slowly rolls into frame, its stance immediately hinting at something playful and purposeful. The unmistakable DT attitude is instantly clear. I welcome viewers back to Global Bike Biz and introduce a bike many thought would never truly return in spirit, the 2026 Yamaha DT 50X. This machine isn't about chasing top speed numbers or raw horsepower, it's about freedom, simplicity, and the pure joy of riding, especially for new riders, younger enthusiasts, and urban explorers who want a motorcycle that feels alive and engaging at every throttle twist. The Yamaha DT name carries serious heritage and emotional weight in the motorcycling world. For decades, DT models earned a reputation for being tough, lightweight, and unbelievably fun, whether ridden on paved roads, gravel paths, or muddy trails. They were bikes that taught generations how to ride, how to slide, and how to enjoy motorcycling without fear. The 2026 DT50X keeps that legacy alive while updating it for modern riders and modern regulations. Yamaha has carefully balanced old-school character with new-age technology, ensuring this bike feels authentic while still meeting today's safety and emissions standards. It's designed to be a perfect entry point into the world of motorcycling, while also appealing to experienced riders who appreciate minimalist machines that deliver maximum fun with minimal complexity. At the heart of the 2026 DT50X is a 50 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine engineered for efficiency, durability, and smooth power delivery. Yamaha's experience with small displacement engines is clearly evident here. The engine is tuned to comply with the latest emissions regulations, yet it still retains that lively, responsive character riders expect from the brand. Throttle response is clean and predictable, which is exactly what beginners need when developing confidence and control. At the same time, there's enough energy in the power delivery to keep every ride engaging. Whether you're navigating stop-and-go city traffic, cruising through narrow neighborhood streets, or exploring winding back roads, the engine feels eager and cooperative. Yamaha has clearly focused on making the DT50X easy to live with, low on maintenance, and extremely economical to run. On paper, performance figures may sound modest, but on the road, the DT50X proves that numbers don't tell the whole story. Thanks to its lightweight construction, the bike feels incredibly agile, almost bicycle-like, in how quickly it changes direction. Flicking through corners feels natural and intuitive, and low-speed maneuvering is effortless. Acceleration is smooth rather than aggressive, which helps new riders feel comfortable while still offering enough excitement to put a smile on your face. The gearing is well suited for urban riding, allowing the bike to stay in its sweet spot without constant shifting. In city environments, the DT50X truly shines, slipping through traffic, handling tight spaces, and soaking up uneven road surfaces with ease. Fuel efficiency is another major highlight, with real-world consumption expected to be extremely low, making it an ideal and affordable daily companion. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Yamaha DT50X is its chassis and suspension setup. Yamaha has equipped the bike with long-travel suspension that reflects its Supermoto-inspired DNA. The front forks and rear monoshock are tuned to strike a balance between comfort and control, allowing the bike to handle potholes, speed bumps, rough asphalt, and even light off-road trails without complaint. This is not just a city commuter, it's a machine that actively encourages exploration. You can leave the pavement behind without hesitation and enjoy the kind of riding freedom that bigger, heavier bikes often can't offer. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and neutral ergonomics make the bike comfortable and confidence-inspiring, even on longer rides. Braking performance is another area where Yamaha hasn't cut corners. The DT50X comes equipped with disc brakes at both the front and rear, delivering strong and predictable stopping power. Combined with the bike's low weight, braking feels controlled and reassuring, which is especially important for newer riders learning proper braking techniques. The tires provide a well-balanced mix of grip and durability, performing reliably in both dry and wet conditions. They complement the bike's playful handling perfectly, allowing riders to push their limits safely while still maintaining control. From a design perspective, the 2026 Yamaha DT50X stands out boldly in the 50 cubic centimeters segment. It features aggressive Supermoto styling with sharp lines, compact proportions, and a purposeful stance that makes it look larger and more serious than its engine size suggests. The high front fender, slim body panels, and minimalist tail section give the bike a rugged yet modern appearance. Yamaha's attention to detail is evident throughout, from the quality of the plastics to the clean panel gaps and durable components designed to withstand daily use. The graphics are bold and youthful without being excessive, proudly showcasing the DT identity and reinforcing the bike's adventurous personality. Lighting has been fully modernized for 2026, with LED elements that enhance visibility and add a premium touch. The headlight design is sharp and distinctive, giving the DT50X a recognizable face both day and night. LED lighting not only improves safety but also contributes to the bike's contemporary look. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, providing essential information such as speed, fuel level, and warning indicators without overwhelming the rider. It's simple, functional, and perfectly matched to the bike's straightforward character. One of the strongest selling points of the DT50X is accessibility. Yamaha has designed this bike specifically for young riders, beginners, and anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-ride motorcycle. The seat height is manageable, making it friendly for shorter riders, while the narrow profile helps improve confidence at stops. The clutch action is light, the controls are intuitive, and the overall ergonomics are forgiving. At the same time, experienced riders will quickly realize just how much fun a well-engineered small bike can be. The DT50X serves as a reminder that riding enjoyment isn't always about big engines, it's about balance, control, and connection between rider and machine. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Yamaha DT50X is expected to be positioned as an affordable entry-level motorcycle. Depending on the market, the estimated price is around €3,500 to €4,000, making it highly competitive within the 50 cubic centimeters Supermoto category. Running costs are low, fuel consumption is minimal, and insurance is generally affordable, especially for younger riders. Yamaha's strong reputation for reliability and build quality adds long-term value, making this bike a smart investment. For many riders, the DT50X could be the perfect first step into motorcycling, while for others, it could be a fun, lightweight secondary bike for daily use. What truly sets the 2026 Yamaha DT50X apart is its character. In a world increasingly dominated by complex electronics, riding modes, and high-performance machines, the DT50X keeps things refreshingly simple. It's about getting on the bike, twisting the throttle, and enjoying the ride without distractions. It encourages skill development, builds rider confidence, and delivers genuine fun at legal speeds. It reminds us why many of us fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. As the sun fully rises and the DT50X disappears down an empty road, I wrap up by saying this: the 2026 Yamaha DT50X is more than just a small bike. It's a statement that motorcycling should be accessible, exciting, and enjoyable for everyone. If you're looking for a lightweight, stylish, and versatile machine with real Yamaha DNA, this bike absolutely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Global Bike Biz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next ride.